Hey team, it's Daniel again with Brazos Boars and Varmits. So hey, I know I'm behind a little bit on making videos. It just actually hurts my heart pretty bad that I am behind like I am. And I just want to give you an update. I'm still doing videos. I'm still working on them. I'm actually editing what's going to be a pretty long video right now. I'm doing that. But in the meantime, I want to let you know what's taking up so much of my time. There's been a few different things. One, I do have little kids, 8, 10, and 3-year-old, and they've been wanting more cuddles than usual. So I'm taking all that up as much as I can while they're still young. Another one is that I'm still trying to catch up on getting some more does because we had very poor year at our deer lease, and I'm hunting an MLD property trying to get some more does so that way we got enough deer for deer sausage, and I do all the processing and everything all myself, so I've been doing that. And then just other random little things around the house, but that isn't excuse enough. The big one that's been taking up a lot of my time has been this dude. Bam, this big thing. I have been working on a shop, and this is something that I've wanted for a pretty good while now, and I'm finally doing it. I've got a 16-foot wide awning over here that we can park a truck and trailer after a long hunt. You can see it's still under construction. I got stuff all outside. These metal tables are gonna go inside in one of these rooms. I got a 10-foot wide by 10-foot tall door there, 10-foot wide by 14-foot door there, and then got lights underneath here. The plan is that I will have you see there's a floor drain right there, so I will build a apparatus to where we can hang critters from there and actually have a winch plugged in here, and then be able to winch critters up and wash them off and then bring them inside. But let's go ahead and go inside. I'm gonna go to this corner over here. As you can see, obviously still doing a lot of construction. We've gotten to the point where I'm trying to get as much of this done myself so that way I can try to save some money on it because we've gone way over budget on this. So the inside is a 30 by 50. I've got 10 extra feet of a front porch on the front, and then like I said, I got that 16 foot on the other side. You can see that these garage doors are gonna be a full pass through so you can drive through either lane, but really I'm gonna have like tables for working on things right here. These doors, I got a bathroom right here. That one is gonna be my studio, so it makes it so much easier for me to set up to make videos for y'all, and that way I'm not having to rearrange a complete room like I've been doing right now and then rebuild it back to what it's supposed to be. So that one's gonna be my YouTube studio. That one's gonna be a workout room because I need to lose some weight. And then that one is gonna be an actual meat processing room. And then obviously staircase going up to the loft. That's 10 foot deep, so 500 square foot of storage up there. Yes, you do see a hot water heater up there. So I am gonna have hot water going to the full bathroom in here, sink, bathtub, and shower. And then I'm gonna have a shop sink. You can see it's already just set in place right over there. And then I've got plugs galore for all the work that I plan on doing. Oh, this is ridiculous. So my gun range in my backyard, yeah, I'm basically gonna have a table right here so that way I can shoot at the gun range and just from inside the shop. Come on, tell me that ain't crazy. All right, so bathroom. Best door handles in the world right here. Again, I'm trying to work on this stuff so myself as some in the evening so that way I can try to save some money on it. So there's that. YouTube studio, plugs everywhere to plug in lights and everything. Got a mini split in here. Still working on things. Big freezer. It's already got stuff in it. Again, this one's gonna be the workout room. Y'all don't want this one. And then over here is gonna be the meat room. This one's got a mini split in it as well because I'm gonna wanna keep it colder. Gonna have a walk-in cooler right there with a big plug for it. and then gonna have those different stainless steel tables here, and then that stainless steel sink that y'all probably saw here. And that way we can just wheel stuff right on in from the washing station, and then start working on it in here. So guys, I'm working on it. You can see I've been busy. You know, I ain't been just being lazy on you. Go ahead and go up the loft. Been storing some stuff up here while I'm just waiting on this thing to get finished. So guys, I do realize that I have been behind on videos. Don't worry, I'm not going anywhere. I've just been kind of busy trying to work on this, trying to get this thing done, so that way everybody else wants this thing to be done as well. And that way I can get back to doing all the hunting and making YouTube videos that I really enjoy doing. So bear with me. Don't worry, I do plan, I'm gonna dedicate myself to having the video that I'm working on right now out by this week, probably by the end of the week, but I'm gonna make that happen. So just, I wanted to show you what else I've been working on. There'll probably be like a full feature-length video about, you know, this whole thing once I get finished. But I ain't gonna bore you with that right now because we ain't even close to being done. So guys, even in your busy seasons, I hope y'all are out there having a great time, enjoying doing this stuff, even when it is always hog season.